Today we're going to do some metal etching. We're going to transfer these logos onto our workbench. One of the logos will be the inverse of the other one. We're going to need some basic equipment to do this etching. So it'll consist of salt, water, a glass and spoon, some vinyl with monster motif, double-sided tape, a marker, a ruler, some cotton buds, and access to a 12-volt power supply. First up, let's add about a tablespoon of salt to the glass, and then fill it up full of water and dissolve the salt. The area that we're going to etch on needs to be clean, really clean. Next, apply some double-sided tape to the logo. And then finally, roughly position where you want the logo to be etched. Apply the self-adhesive vinyl onto the workbench. This will stop any etching from occurring where we don't want it. Next, cut out the areas of the logo you want to etch. Adhere it to the workbench and expose the metal underneath. The second logo is an inverse of the first one, so we will frame the outside of the logo with the vinyl and remove the white space of the logo. Now connect your power. Let's etch. Connect the positive power supply lead to the workbench, then dip the cotton bud into the salty water. Connect the negative end of the power supply to the moist part of the cotton bud and make contact with the exposed metal. The metal will bubble and sizzle. Replace your cotton bud as required. Our power supply is rated at 6 amps and the power meters are rated at 10 amps. We exceeded both these thresholds during the etching process. Once you've completed the etching, remove the protective vinyl and wipe down the etching. The longer you etch, the deeper and better defined your result will be. Use this technique to etch metal products that you may be working on. It makes a convenient and permanent way of applying your logo or your identifier to all your products.